Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Today we are looking at similar triangles in mathematics. We are looking at similar triangles. Okay, it shows two types of triangles that are superimposed. For example, they can give you a diagram like this. Can you see this diagram the way it is? Okay, and then I can say that one is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D, this is point E. And then I want you to notice these two triangles because you'll be able to use them. How many triangles do you see? There are actually two triangles. The first triangle is a smaller one, this one, the one that's on top. I've marked it with this color. Don't get confused. Can you see it? This triangle. Okay? I've actually marked it with that color. Okay? So that triangle, I've actually marked it with this color. Okay? That's the first triangle. The smaller one. So I'll extract it. It's this one here with this color. Okay? That's the first triangle that you can see. So the ability to split this into two triangles. Of course, these two lines are always parallel. This line here is parallel to this one. Okay? So those two triangles. So the first smaller triangle is this one. Okay? And then now we have to find now the larger triangle. So the smaller triangle is the one that's on top. The larger triangle is the one that is outside. Can you see it? This one, outside. See, this one is the larger triangle. This one, the one that is on the outside. This bigger one. So there's a one on top and the one outside. So it's this one that is big like this, the one that is outside with this color. Okay? So there's triangle 1 and triangle 2. The triangle 1 is the one on top. Triangle 2 is the one that is big outside. Please, you make sure you understand this. Once you miss me here, you have issues to understand similar triangles. There's like a small triangle on top and the larger one that is outside. So for example, if they give you a question like the one I'm bringing here, they can bring for you, they can say this one is B, this one is E. So it's A here, B, C, D. And then here they can say 2, 3, and then here they put 6. This is centimeters. Even here it's 3 centimeters. Here it's 2 centimeters. Okay? So this line here is parallel to this one. They can ask you, find BE. Find BE. Okay? They can ask you to find BE. How do you find BE? The first thing you do before you do anything, you split it into two triangles. Like I told you. First, take a smaller one, you pick this triangle. Can you see it? I'm putting yellow. This triangle, I pick it here. First, I find what BE is. BE. Have you seen BE is this one? So meaning BE, it is X. Okay? I'll name it X here because I don't know it. It's from here to here. BE is X. So first I split that triangle, then I'll draw it separately on top. So this triangle here, it has got X this side. And then this side has got 2. Okay? So this side has got 2. Then the next triangle, which I pick, is a larger one. I told you split it into 2. The larger triangle is the one that is on the outside. I repeat, on the outside. So the other triangle is this one that is on the outside. This one. You see? This line, this triangle outside. The larger one. I also write it this one outside here. So I write the larger triangle also is this one here. Okay? Here it has got this distance down here for the larger triangle is what? The larger triangle, this distance from here to here, it's 6. So again, I write the larger triangle distance here, it is 6. 6. And then this distance, this side, for the larger triangle, this distance from here to here is what? Can you see it? It is 2, this distance from there, 2 plus 3. You see? So there is this 2 here plus this 3. So they make this total distance from A to C. So it's 2 plus 3. 2 here plus this 3. Okay? That will be total distance, which will be equal to 5. So meaning my total distance there is going to be equal to what? 5. Meaning this distance this side is 5. After doing that, you form an equation. Okay? You form an equation. So what you do is start with the slant height. You see the slant height, this side is 2. This side is 2. So this 2 over the slant side, this side is what? 5. So it will be 2 over 5 is equal to, okay? 2 over 5 is equal to, here the downside is x. So also x over, here the downside is 6. You say over 6. Then you cross multiply. So you say 5 times x, you say 5 open bracket x closed is equal to 2 times 6, you say 2 open bracket 6 closed, which will be equal to 5 times x. 5 times x is 5x is equal to 2 times 6 is 12. You divide by 5, you divide by 5. Okay? X is equal to 12 over 5. Okay? 12 over 5, or 5 into 12, it goes 2. Remember 2 over 5. It's the same thing. Centimeters. Okay? Because we say the dimensions are centimeters. So we say, therefore, BE, since the BE is equal to 12 over 5 centimeters. Okay? Because that is the x, BE is the x. Okay? This x here, from here to here, it's BE, this one. So BE is equal to 12 over 5. 12 over 5. Okay. Second question. Question 2, guys. Question 2. If, for example, they give you a diagram like this, they give you a diagram like that, and then now they ask you, they can name this one as A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D, this one is E. Then they can give you this one as 2, this one as 3, this one as 4. Okay? And then they can ask you, find AB. Find AB. Okay? Meaning from here to here. This distance, AB. Find AB. We said these ones are always parallel, right? B is parallel to this one. Okay. So they want you to find AB. What did I say? Split the diagram into 2 triangles. So the first triangle is this one that is on top. This one. So I'll pick this triangle. Okay? AB. AB, it is this one. So X is here. Okay? Guys, that's what I'm looking for. AB. So X. I do not know what AB is from A to B. So I pick that triangle. I pick the smaller triangle. It looks like this. This side is X. Since that's the side I don't know, that's the reason why I've named it X. Okay? And then BE here. This BE is 2. So down there it's 2. So here it's 2. Then I pick the larger triangle now. I pick the larger triangle. What is my larger triangle? I pick the larger what? I pick the larger triangle. So what is the larger triangle? The larger triangle is the one that is on the outside. This larger triangle is the one I pick now. This one. Have you seen it? The one that is on the outside. Okay? So what's the distance down here? From here to here down is 3. Can you see it? This one is 3. So meaning the distance for the larger triangle is actually 3 here. What about the distance from here to there? From here to here it's 4. Okay? And then from here to here it's x. Can you see it? Can you see from this diagram? From here to here it's 4. Okay? And then from here to there it's x. So it means this total distance is 4 plus this x. So it's 4 plus x. So the distance there, it's actually what? The distance actually there, it's 4 plus x. Okay? Now you can solve. So, slant height, we form the equation now. Slant height is what here? X. So say x over slant height this side. What is the slant height this side? The slant height this side is 4 plus x. So over 4 plus x is equal to. Okay? And then down distance is what? 2. So it will be 2 over Down distance this side is what? 3. So it's over 3. Then you cross multiply. So this 2, this x times this 3, it will be, so you say 2 open bracket, this 2 times open bracket 4 plus x closed is equal to 3 open bracket x. Okay, because of space, I'll shift this calculation on the next page. So here it is 2 times 4 plus x, okay, is equal to this x times 3. It will be 3 open bracket x, like this. That's how it's supposed to be. So 2 times 4, it is 8. So it is 2 open bracket 4 plus x is equal to 3 open bracket x. Okay? So is equal to, so 2 times 4, it is 8 plus 2 times x, 2x is equal to 3 times x, 3x. Okay? So you group the like terms. You know how to do this. The like terms. So it is 2x. This is positive 3. When it crosses, become minus 3x is equal to, this is 8. 8 when it goes this side, it will become negative 8. So 2 times minus 3, it will be negative x here is equal to negative 8. Okay? When you reach here, divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1 this side, divide by negative 1. If x is going to be equal to, these two negatives cancel. Okay? So 8 x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Okay? So therefore, AB is 8 centimeters. Okay? Have you seen the way we have done this? That's how you do it. Okay. Sometimes they can say, they can ask you, they can bring a question like, this was question what? What am I looking at? This is question, question 3. I'm sure this must be question 3 if I'm not mistaken. If it's not question 2, let me give you another question now. I don't know if it's question 3 or 4. So I want you to look at this. For example, they can bring for you a triangle like this, okay? And then, I mean, there's no, this one is not there. So I said these ones are always parallel. They can say A there. They can say B, C, D, E. Okay? And then they can give you this one as 4. This one as 5. And then they say, find BE to the ratio CD. Have you seen? It's the same thing. Find BE, the ratio CD. Okay? The ratio CD. So what you do? I said the same thing. Split two triangles. The first triangle is the smaller one. This one. You pick it. Okay? So you come there. You draw the smaller triangle first. You draw it, a smaller triangle, and then you draw a larger triangle. Okay? So the smaller triangle. What are the dimensions of the smaller triangle? The smaller triangle is, it has got 4 this side. Can you see? 4. And then BE. Have you seen that here there are 2 unknowns? Meaning you don't put X. Okay? There's this one, it's not known. Even this one is not known. So don't put X like we are solving the others. Because there are 2 unknowns. Okay? B is not known and CD is not known. So you can't put X here. You can't put X here. You don't. Because there are 2 unknowns. This one and this one. Okay? This one and this one, they're unknown. So you don't put X here. Okay? But you put your parameters. So what number is here? The number here is what? 4. And then here it's BE. BE, you put the letters. Since there are 2 unknowns, BE is not known. And then for the larger triangle, what's the larger triangle here? It's this one. The larger triangle is the one that is on the outside. This one, the whole of this is the larger triangle. Can you see it? this one is a larger triangle. Okay, this one. So from here to here it's what? 9. Because how do you know it's 9? Because from here to here it's 4, and then 4 plus 5, so it is 4 plus 5, which is 9. So meaning that this distance this side is 9. Okay, this distance from here to here is 9, and then the distance down here is what? The distance down here is what? This one, CD, which is the one that we're looking for. This one, CD, we don't know, so we'll just put the letters CD, CD, CD. So how do you do the ratios now? You do the ratios in the same way. So again, we'll start now. How is the ratios supposed to be? Okay, so the slant height here is 4, so we'll start for the smaller one. 4 over slant height this side is 9, so it's over 9. You see, slant height over slant height, 9 is equal to down distance. What's the down distance here? The down distance here, it's what? BE. We don't know it, so we'll put BE over what's the down distance here? CD. So over CD. You see, we have found the answer. So meaning that I have seen it is 4 over 9 is equal to BE over CD. So meaning that if I put the letters this side, BE is this side, CD is this side, meaning the numbers will be this other side. Okay, so it means this BE is 4. So if I say BE to the ratio, if I say BE over CD is equal to 4 over 9. So if I say BE, okay, like they said BE to the ratio CD, it means the BE is what? 4. So on BE I put 4 to the ratio. CD is 9, then you can see it is 9. So I put 9. So meaning this is how you do it. That's the answer. That's how you do it, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, having that knowledge, try this exercise. You always split them into 2 triangles, and then you do the relation. So the exercise is they give you this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This is 2. Actually, I'll put E here, and then I'll put 2, 4, and then I say find the ratio BE to the ratio CD. Okay, I'm just from teaching you this one. I'll make it question 1. Okay, question 2, guys. Question 2. The question 2 is like this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. And then this one is 5, this one is 2, this one is 7. Okay, of course these ones are parallel lines. I don't be getting confused. Even for the other question, this one, even these ones are parallel lines. Don't get confused. Okay, where's that question? This one. Yes. So the question is find BE. BE. I taught you to split it into triangles. Since here you are looking for 1, so it means you can put X. The other one where there are 2 unknowns, you can't put X. Question 3. Okay. This one is a parallel, and then this one is Z, P. I use different letters now. Z, P here, Q, T, Y. This one is 2, this one is 5, this one is 6. Okay, find ZP. Okay, ZP. This is Z to P. So we're finding ZP, the distance. And then lastly but not the least, let's see, that is that. I've given you that one. Yes, try this one. Try those three first. Let me see how you're going to do it.